Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your AOL mail to your Gmail. So, I'm going to teach you how you can connect AOL to your Gmail. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Open your AOL mail and your primary Gmail. After you do so, go ahead and go to your Gmail, click on Settings and click on See All Settings. Then click on Accounts and Imports. You can see Check Mail from Other Accounts over here. Just go ahead and click on Add a Mail Account. What you need to do is write down your AOL mail ID over here. After you do so, go ahead and click Next. You can see that you can either link accounts with Gmailify or import emails from My Other Account. So if you click on this, go ahead and click Link Accounts with Gmailify, then click Next. After you do so, you should go ahead and click on Agree. Make sure that you are logged into your AOL mail on your browser, and there you go. You can see that you have just linked your AOL mail to your Google account or your Gmail. So guys, this is how you add your AOL mail to your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.